Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm working from home because again someone around me got COVID. Everybody around me gets COVID except me. I really don't get it. I really do my best, but I just can't get it. Unbelievable. Anyways, today I'm going to show you my apartment. I live in Takhli. It's a small village 3 hours north of Bangkok. So it's really in the middle of nowhere. Let's go. Here is the entry. Sometimes the key is not working and then I think, is this really my house? And then I look to the right and then I realize, yes, this is actually my house. A bird has made a nest in my helmet, so you can see how often I exercise. You come into the bedroom. It's pretty big. This apartment comes with a bed, a mattress, a fan and a TV. A nice desk here. Big closet, a mirror. Actually, I bought a new iPhone, so this video is just to test it. It's working pretty well. Here, it can work here. Not that I work from home, but if I want, I can do it. Now we go to the second room. So this apartment is actually pretty big. I have a fridge here, another fan. The fridge doesn't come with the apartment. Outside of Bangkok, the apartments, the condos, they don't come with a lot of stuff. So I bargained to get a fridge because in Thailand it's very important to have a fridge. And this is the bathroom with heater, of course. It's pretty basic, but it's good enough. It's big enough. And then the garden, the concrete jungle. Thai people really love to build a wall of 2 meters around every house. I think they are scared of thieves. But as you can see, when you sit here, you don't see anything of the view. It blocks the view 100%. Nice trees over there, but you can't see anything. It's pretty spacious. Here, there you can do the dishes. So all in all, for 3,500 baht, it's a pretty good deal. Electricity is excluded. That's around 1,000 baht extra. So the total is 4,500 baht. That's around 130 euros. It's nothing. But yeah, and then you get a modest apartment like this. If you want to know more about Thailand, let me then know. I can make a video about anything you like. Just let me know what it is. And subscribe to this channel. I need 1,000 subscribers and then I can quit working. Alright, see you. Bye bye.